Today, we will make a cozy miso soup with Seabream. Hello everyone, this is Yuri.
And Akira.
Let's start making ARAJIRU by prepping our precious fish bones. We will begin cutting bones with this kitchen scissors. ARAJIRU is a miso soup with ara, fish bones and meat. A very popular, comforting miso soup that us Japanese love. As Akira-san is pointing out, fish meat near the fin has plenty of luscious fattiness, so make sure to just get rid of the fin. Cut in a size that fits in your soup bowl and put it aside for now. Now cut off the guts from the head as we won't be using it. As for the head, it will need some rinsing. There are lots of leftover scales around here, especially around its cheek, jaw and fin. Make sure to take this all out. Now let's cut off kama from Seabream's head. Insert your knife into its gill and cut it off. Do the same for the other side. Then lastly, detach its chin. Cut kama into 2 pieces and rinse it well. Kama is too good to be put in a miso soup. Try grilling with a hint of salt and citrus. It's super good. Let's do nashiwari, cracking head into 2. Insert the knife between 2 foretooth and then bring the knife down. Open it up and take out the guts. Again, rinse it well. And do the final check on whether all scales been taken out of. As the prepping is done, let's sprinkle salt on each side. This is to get rid of the fishiness. Also, salt helps to remove water from Seabream, which condenses the umami inside. Now, let it rest for an hour, then rinse off the salt that's on the surface. Looks nice and firm. とってもいい感じです。Proof that the umami is packed inside. Parboil ara for about 10 to 15 seconds. This is called shitayude. Cool it in the iced water. For head, double the time to 20 seconds. Scrape off the sliminess as this makes the miso soup fishy.
Ara is ready.
Now let's make miso soup. Prepare a pot. Put in all ara with 1.5 liter of water. Add 15 grams of kombu seaweed. Then bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, you will see a lot of foam. This is scum. Put the pot on simmer and skim the scum carefully until you have a clear soup. Rescue kombu seaweed out, then turn off the heat. Let's add miso in. We're using mugi miso today, but feel free to use any miso that you have at home. We added 2 big spoonfuls of miso, but the top tip is to gradually add and always taste it as you go. What we don't want is miso to overpower the delicate flavor of Seabream. Here is banno negi, a thin green spring onion. Finely chop this. Amount? As much as you want. It's always a good idea to have these ready in your fridge. It's a perfect yakumi. Sprinkle this onto the miso soup and serve it while it's hot.
鯛のあら汁でございます。Thank you and ありがとう。
See you in the next video.